the man will start rotating, going forward. But you want to start thinking about it while you're going away from the lady. You're letting go with the right hand, preparing for the rotation. Then you're going to take a step forward with the left leg, going a little bit to the left to pass your partner. You're going to lead with your left hand to the left while wrapping in your own left hand. Let's do this one more time, starting from the top. Let go with the right hand, take a step with the left leg, rotate. As you can see, lady's hand is sliding along the man's back. Thanks to this, we maintain the connection all the time. Notice also that the lady's hand then slides along the man's hand, so the connection is maintained all the time. Thanks to this, even if you cannot see your partner, you can feel where she is. That really helps.